In this video, I'll show you how to save a Canva presentation to Google Slides. First, open your Canva presentation. Go to the Share button in the top right corner, click Download it, and select the PPTX file type. Download the file to your device. Next, open Google Drive. Click the plus New button, then choose File Upload. Select the downloaded PPTX file and click Open to upload it. Once uploaded, click the folder icon in the bottom right corner to view the file's location. Right-click the file or click the three dots next to it. Hover over Open With and select Google Slides. And that's it. Your Canva presentation is now editable in Google Slides. If this helped, give the video a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.